Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best, cheapest smart nano drones for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for an easy-to-use, beginner-friendly drone for your child or a more feature-packed option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Awayami 2024 upgraded, hand-controlled drone. This little quadcopter is packed with features designed with kids in mind. It comes with a smartwatch controller, gesture recognition, and even a hand-throwing induction mode. This makes it super fun and interactive for younger users. The inclusion of 2 upgraded batteries ensures up to 16 minutes of flight time, which is great for extended play sessions. The drone also features cool LED lights that create a light show during flight, making it eye-catching and fun for nighttime use. In terms of design, the Awayami drone is lightweight and durable, built with high-quality ABS material to withstand minor crashes. The propellers are well protected, making it safer for kids to play with. However, it is smaller in size, which can make it less stable in outdoor windy conditions. While it includes multiple screws for added safety, younger kids should still be supervised during use due to the rotating propellers. The performance is decent for a toy-grade drone, though it lacks a camera and advanced features like optical flow stabilization. The gesture control and automatic obstacle avoidance work as advertised, but they may not be as precise as you'd like. With a price that's on the lower end, it's an affordable, fun option for kids 8 and up. However, its lack of a camera and limited battery life per charge make it better suited as an entry-level toy rather than a serious flying gadget. Overall, it's a solid pick for younger kids who want a simple and interactive drone experience. Coming in at number 4, we have the Force One Scoot Pro hand-operated drone. This one is a unique UFO-style drone that's designed to be completely hands-free. Controlled by motion sensors, this drone responds to your hand movements to navigate and avoid obstacles. It's perfect for indoor use, with its webbed shell design offering protection for both your furniture and the drone itself. The bright LED light projections are a standout feature, creating a kaleidoscope of colors on the ceiling that kids will absolutely love. The design of the Force One Scoot Pro is compact and lightweight, making it easy to toss in the air to start flying. Its durability is a major plus, with a tough build that can handle minor crashes. However, the flight time is limited to about 6 to 8 minutes per charge, and the 60-minute recharge time can feel long. It's best suited for quick play sessions rather than extended use. The lack of a remote control or camera means this drone is strictly for fun, not for photography or precision flying. This drone shines as a STEM toy, offering a hands-on experience that's engaging and safe for kids. It's easy to use, making it a great pick for younger children or beginners. While it doesn't offer advanced features like app control or HD video, its simplicity is part of its charm. If you're looking for an affordable, fun, and safe drone that kids can enjoy indoors, the Force One Scoot Pro is a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have the FlyVista Cool Mini Drone with Camera. This drone is perfect for kids and beginners who want to explore aerial photography without breaking the bank. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and FPV, first-person view functionality, it allows users to capture stunning photos and videos. The inclusion of 3 rechargeable batteries is a huge plus, offering up to 30 minutes of total flight time. The design is sleek and compact, featuring a shark-inspired look that kids will find appealing. It also includes propeller guards for added safety. The drone is lightweight, which makes it better suited for indoor use or calm outdoor conditions. Its user-friendly features, such as one-click takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, make it easy to control for first-time flyers. It even offers app control for advanced functions like gesture selfies and flight path customization. While the FlyVista drone delivers excellent value with its camera and extended flight time, it does have some drawbacks. The app can be a bit tricky to navigate, and the drone's lightweight design makes it less stable in windy conditions. However, for its price range, it's a fantastic option for kids and beginners who want a camera-equipped drone with a lot of fun features. Taking the number 2 spot is the Loyally drone with camera. This foldable lightweight drone is packed with features, making it ideal for both kids and teens. Its HD camera captures high-quality photos and videos, and the 90-degree adjustable angle provides a broad field of view. The upgraded altitude hold and optical flow positioning technology ensure stable flights, which is especially useful for beginners. The Loyally drone is impressively compact, making it a great travel companion. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 26 minutes of flight time. Features like voice control, gesture selfies, and app-based flight path customization add an extra layer of fun and creativity. The inclusion of propeller guards and spare fan blades ensures safety during use, while the low battery warning helps prevent crashes. While the Loyally drone is slightly heavier than some other options, this adds to its stability in outdoor conditions. The only minor drawback is that its camera resolution is limited to 720p, which may not satisfy users looking for higher quality video. That said, it's an excellent choice for families who want a feature-rich and portable drone for kids and beginners. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cheerwing SEMA X20 mini drone. This is the ultimate choice for kids and beginners, offering a perfect balance of affordability, features, and ease of use. Equipped with a 480p camera, auto-hovering, and one-key takeoff/landing, this drone is incredibly beginner-friendly. The headless mode and one-key 360-degree flips make it fun and simple to operate, even for first-time users. The design of the SEMA X20 is sleek and compact, with LED lights that make night flying a possibility. It's lightweight but durable, with a solid plastic build that can handle minor crashes. The infrared remote control ensures stable connectivity, though its range is limited to 50 meters, making it better suited for indoor or backyard use. The Cheerwing SEMA X20 delivers reliable performance at an unbeatable price. While its 480p camera resolution isn't the highest, it's sufficient for casual use. The short battery life of around 5 to 7 minutes is a drawback, but its quick recharge time helps compensate. Overall, this drone is a fantastic starter option that offers great value for kids and beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of drones. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.